Imagine a world where the sun never moves, where one side of Earth is locked in eternal daylight, and the other side is trapped in endless darkness. No sunrise, no sunset, no seasons, just a world split in half forever. Today on Cosmic Frontier, we explore what would happen if Earth became tidally locked to the sun, always showing the same face to the light, just like the moon does with Earth. Let's begin. 1. What does tidally locked mean? A tidally locked planet always keeps the same side facing its star. This creates a permanent day side, a permanent night side, a thin twilight zone between them. Many planets outside our solar system, especially around red dwarfs, are tidally locked. If Earth became one, life would change forever. 2. The day side, a blistering hellscape. The side facing the sun becomes a scorched wasteland. Constant direct sunlight, no night to cool the ground. Surface temperatures over 120 degrees Celsius, 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Oceans boiling away over time. Deserts covering the continent's extreme solar radiation. The atmosphere expands, superheats and circulates violently. This half of Earth becomes almost completely uninhabitable. 3. The night side, a frozen airless darkness. The dark side never sees the sun again. Temperature drops to minus 150 degrees Celsius. Oceans freeze solid cities buried under kilometers of ice. The atmosphere begins to collapse. Storms of frozen air and nitrogen snow. This half becomes an icy wasteland like Pluto. The darkness is permanent. Stars never move, never rise, never set. 4. The twilight zone, humanity's new home. Between the scorching day and the frozen night lies a narrow strip of land. Eternal sunset, moderate temperatures, liquid water conditions suitable for life. This region, the Terminator Zone, would be where all surviving ecosystems live. Cities would stretch across a thin ring around the planet, a belt of life on a mostly dead world. 5. Weather becomes violent beyond imagination. With heat on one side and cold on the other, mega storms form. Endlessly winds reach 300 to 500 kilometers per hour. Gigantic atmospheric circulation cells form hurricanes that dwarf any on Earth. Hot air rises on the day side and rushes toward the night side, creating a global, never-ending superstorm. Civilizations would have to build advanced shelters to survive the constant wind. 6. Oceans shift and reshape. Earth water boils on the day side and freezes on the night side. This creates a boiling ocean facing the sun, a frozen ocean on the dark side. Liquid seas only in the twilight belt. Immense glaciers spilling toward the day side, powerful currents following heat flow. Ocean life would survive only in the thin, habitable ring. 7. Human civilization, reinvented humanity would adapt by building megacities along the twilight line, constantly expanding or contracting as the habitable zone moves, harnessing extreme sunlight for energy, using melted night-side ice to provide water, growing crops in artificial climates, developing massive windbreak structures. We would live in a world of constant sunset between fire and ice. 8. Could life still exist? Yes, but very differently. Life might evolve to withstand constant wind, adapt to twilight lighting, bury underground to avoid temperature extremes, filter intense radiation, migrate around the Terminator Zone. Alien life on tidally locked planets likely exists, but would be nothing like life on Earth. A world split in half. A tidally locked Earth would be a world transformed, one side burning, one side frozen, one thin strip of life in between. A planet of extremes, and a reminder of how delicate our place in the cosmos truly is. Thanks for watching Cosmic Frontier. Subscribe for more mind-bending journeys through our universe.